Hello friends, welcome to Medico Miles today. Let's discuss about what actually anatomy means. Anatomy is defined as the science that deals with the structure of the human body, ranging from what we can observe with the naked eye to what can only be seen under a microscope. The term anatomy comes from the Greek word anatome, which means to cut up, a reference to dissection, which is the traditional method of studying internal body structures. Anatomy can be classified into many types, each with a specific focus. Gross anatomy, also known as topographical anatomy, deals with the study of organs and structures that are visible without a microscope. Microscopic anatomy or histology focuses on the cellular level, examining tissues under a microscope. Surface anatomy studies the external features of the body, while comparative anatomy compares the anatomical structures of different species. Physical anthropology examines human evolution and variations. Living anatomy is observed in living beings using techniques like inspection and imaging. Clinical anatomy is directly applied in medical practice. Radiological anatomy uses imaging tools such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs. Developmental anatomy or embryology explores how the body forms and changes before birth. Genetics studies heredity and genes that determine body structure. Anatomy can also be studied using two major approaches: regional anatomy and systemic anatomy. In regional anatomy, the body is divided into specific regions such as the head and neck, brain, thorax, abdomen, upper limb, and lower limb, and all structures in that region are studied together. On the other hand, systemic anatomy involves studying the body by systems such as the skeletal, muscular, nervous, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, urinary, reproductive, endocrine. We also have the locomotor system, which enables body movement. It is divided into three parts: osteology, the study of bones; arthrology, the study of joints; and myology, the study of muscles. Another important division is splanchnology, which focuses on the viscera or internal organs, especially those of the respiratory, digestive, urinary, reproductive, and endocrine systems. Understanding anatomy also involves knowing its history. Two legendary figures, Sushruta, from ancient India, is known as the father of surgery, famous for his surgical techniques, and the Sushruta Sanhita. Hippocrates, the Greek physician, is honored as the father of medicine, who laid the foundation for clinical practice and ethics. Subscribe our channel Medico Miles for more medical lectures and notes.